Hello everybody of YouTube. Tonight I'm going to cook a couple of jacket potatoes and I'm going to use up the rest of my curry that I didn't eat last night or eat today for lunch. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to pierce the potatoes. I'm going to put them in the microwave for about 10 minutes. I'm going to coat them in oil. I'm going to chuck them in the air fryer for probably another 8 minutes. And yeah. So just going to stab it a few times. Probably best not to have your hands there holding it. That's the reason I'm using the tongs. That's a bit better. So that's it. In the microwave, 10 minutes. Here we go. So, potatoes been cooked in the microwave. I've just put some olive oil in there. And some salt. Just trying to roll that around in there a bit. Just going to chuck that in there like that. Get the other one out. Here's the other one. Bit of a fumble. And there you go. They're in there. So I've just put them on 200 for 9 minutes. I'm going to turn them over halfway through. So that's the curry that I cooked last night. Just going to pop that in the microwave for a couple of minutes just to warm it through. So I've just cut them, open them up a bit. I'll just chuck some Kerrygold in there. Add a bit of cheese. Cheese is always good. Max crisp. Just melt the cheese and the cheese. Melt the cheese and the cheese. Melt the cheese and the butter. That's me about done. Just gonna chuck these cheesy spuds in there. Oh, look at that. Cheesy spuds. I just added a bit of cheese to my curry. Look at that. Cheesy curry. Oh. Look at that. So, dinner tonight. Leftover curry from last night. Just added some cheese to it. Put some Kerrygold in the potatoes with some cheese. Full blended cheese. And yeah, there's jalapenos in there. There's mushrooms in there. Chicken. There's all the things in there that were in there last night when I cooked it. And obviously the potatoes were added. Okay. There you go. Cheers. See you later, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.